Welcome back, house hunters. Today we will look at 3 incredible properties in Italy in a beautiful natural area surrounded by lush forests, mountains, peaceful countryside, and some still close to the sea. All for sale starting at the low price of 25,000 euros. Over the past year, I've been exploring some of the most exciting property opportunities across Italy. And today I'm excited to share a few of the best countryside properties right here. Whether you're looking to get out of the city or just live somewhere with beautiful surroundings and a slower pace of life, one of these properties will fit the bill starting at just 25,000 euros. If you're considering living or investing in Italy, make sure to check out my Italy playlist and subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes. Now, let's dive in and take a look. Today we will be exploring the wonderful region of Piedmont in northern Italy. Piedmont has a population of over 4 million people and an area of 25,000 kilometers squared, making it the second largest region of Italy after Sicily. Its capital is the beautiful city of Turin, which was the first capital of the Kingdom of Italy. Piedmont is surrounded by the Alps on 3 sides, which is where its name derives from in Latin, meaning at the foot of the mountains. Piedmont is bordered by Liguria to the south, Lombardy and Emilia-Romagna to the east, the Aosta Valley to the northwest, Switzerland to the north, and France to the west. It is a stunning region known for its rolling vineyard landscapes, elegant cities, and scenic alpine views. It's a wonderful place to live or visit thanks to its slower pace of life, world-class food and wine, and easy access to both mountains and countryside. Visitors can explore treasures like the Royal Palace of Turin, the charming town of Alba, and the historic wine cellars of Barolo and Barbaresco. The area is especially famous for its truffles, Barolo wine, and rich culinary traditions that draw travelers from around the world. Frabosa Soprana, nestled in the picturesque Piedmont region of Italy, is a charming mountain village known for its peaceful atmosphere and stunning natural surroundings. It's famous for the nearby Grotta di Bossea, one of Italy's most impressive natural caves, as well as the Mondolè ski area, which draws visitors year-round for skiing, hiking, and outdoor adventure. The village offers a welcoming community, fresh alpine air, and beautiful views that make it an appealing place to live or enjoy a relaxing getaway. Whether you're exploring local trails, savoring Piedmontese cuisine, or discovering hidden natural wonders, Frabosa Soprana has something for every traveler. The first property lies in a beautiful area surrounded by nature and is a very sunny condominium with a double bedroom, bathroom, balcony, independent heating, and low condominium fees. The terrace gets lots of sun and has plenty of space to relax and enjoy a meal with guests over. From there you step into the kitchen, which is small but has everything you need in good condition with room for a small table. Next, the living room is a good size but could do with some updating of the wallpaper. Nothing major, just minor cosmetic. The hallway will lead to the bedroom and bathroom. It is a double bedroom with the same lovely flooring as the living room and with plenty of room for some wardrobes. From the hall, we can head to the bathroom, which has a bathtub with shower and tiles throughout. From the outside, you can see the balcony wraps around, and the kitchen has glass doors either side to let air flow through and plenty of light in. Frabosa Soprana is a stunning area, with all the amenities you would need, from restaurants in the area to shops as well. Also, getting around is relatively easy, as there are bus and coach stations in most of the villages nearby, which also makes it easy to get around Italy and on to Europe. If there is anything you can't find or want a day trip to a city, then Cuneo is only a 40-minute drive away, or you can get there by bus in around 2 hours. Or you can head to Mondolè in just 20 minutes by car or get there in around an hour by bus. You are also only an hour and a half drive or about 2.5 hours by public transport to Piedmont's capital city of Turin, which makes for a lovely city break. You can get to the Ligurian port city of Genoa in only 2 hours by car, or head to the bustling city of Milan for some shopping in only 3 hours. You literally have wonderful ski resorts on your doorstep, and the coast is still only an hour drive away. There is a hospital in the area, the nearest train station in only a 20-minute drive away, and getting to the airport takes just under an hour. This property is for sale for €25,000, or around $28,000. This is an amazing deal for a lovely apartment that doesn't need any work. It would also make a lovely holiday let due to its scenic location, while still being close to major cities and touristy areas. Spigno Monferrato, set amid the rolling hills of Piedmont's Alto Monferrato region, is a peaceful countryside town known for its natural beauty and slower pace of life. The area is famous for its vineyards, truffle-rich woodlands, and medieval history, offering a perfect blend of culture and nature. Visitors can enjoy scenic hikes, explore historic stone villages, or savor local wines and traditional dishes in family-run trattorias. For those seeking authentic rural Italy, Spigno Monferrato offers a warm community, stunning landscapes, and a truly relaxing escape. Next up, we have a semi-detached house, free on 3 sides, that is 250 square meters in space. The property has been renovated structurally and inside, and has 2 floors with cellars and garage on the ground floor, and possibility for 2 units on the first floor. The garage is a good size and perfect for storage. Moving inside to the first floor, there is a nice dining room which has a wood burner. Now, this property has the possibility to be made into 2 flats, as there are 2 separate entrances, so that could be a good bonus and is up to the owner. The first bedroom is a good size, with a window and room for wardrobes. And bathroom 1 is lovely with a stand-up shower and nice tiles throughout. I believe this room has the other separate entrance and could be used as a separate living room / dining room, or even be made into a kitchen and dining room. The second toilet is of similar design with a stand-up shower, same tiles and bidet this time. The second bedroom is lovely with its shelves nook in the wall and beautiful tiles on the floor as well. This is the main kitchen and dining room area, which has beautiful terracotta floors. The room is very big, but the kitchen is a little lacking. You could easily add some more cupboards and extend the kitchen without too much effort, but it is a very big room, so there are many possibilities to make this the main living room area and put the kitchen into the other room with separate entrance, or the other way around. Also downstairs is a large room for the boiler. All of the electrical, water, and thermal systems are new and certified, which is great for peace of mind. There is another large storage room and one more even larger room, which gives this property a lot of potential. Spigno Monferrato is a beautiful area, with restaurants close by and plenty of shops as well. There is a vet, pharmacy, schools, sports centers, and golf clubs in the area. You also have the convenience of a train station in town, making getting around the area and Italy a breeze. Getting to the beautiful city of Alessandria by car only takes an hour, or by public transport in only an hour and a half. You can also drive to Piedmont's beautiful capital city of Turin in 2 hours, or get there by public transport in the same amount of time. You can also drive to the magical coastal city of Genoa in an hour and 20 minutes, or get there by public transport in just over 2 hours. You can even get to Milan in just over 2 hours by car, or around 3 by public transport. There is also a ski resort close by, and you can drive to the coast in under an hour. Also, there is a hospital close by, and you can reach Genoa Airport in only an hour and a half by car, or around 2.5 hours by public transport, keeping you well connected. This property is for sale for €40,000, or around $46,000. This is an amazing opportunity for a property with so much potential. You could split it in two and rent half out to pay for your living expenses, or even rent it out as 2 holiday lets, or just one big holiday let. It would be perfect for someone looking to immerse themselves in nature and authentic Italian culture, all while still having access to major cities and tourist areas by car or train. Locana, located in the heart of the Gran Paradiso foothills in northern Italy, is a serene alpine town surrounded by pristine forests, rivers, and dramatic mountain peaks. It's known for its connection to Gran Paradiso National Park, making it a haven for wildlife lovers, hikers, and anyone who enjoys unspoiled nature. Visitors can explore picturesque trails, visit ancient stone hamlets, or experience traditional festivals that highlight the area's rich mountain heritage. With its fresh, alpine air, friendly community, and endless outdoor activities, Locana is an inviting place to visit and a peaceful, nature-filled place to call home. Our final property today is in a lovely building and is 110 square meters. Right now, it is used as one property, but it could easily be used as 2, and the second one rented out as it is split between 2 floors and each has a kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom of its own. The ground floor flat has a lovely large wooden kitchen with nice tiles and separate access to outside and independent heating. Outside, there is a large terrace area, perfect for relaxing outdoors with friends and family and enjoying the views. Back inside the first flat, there is a spacious laundry area. There is a small hallway area leading to the bedroom and bathroom. The bathroom is big with a bathtub and shower, bidet and cupboard space for towels and things. The bedroom is also a big space with floor-to-ceiling wardrobes. Moving up to the next floor and second apartment, the kitchen dining room is a big space. It could use a little revamping, but is in usable condition. This could be the one that gets rented out. The bathroom is also big, with stand-up shower, bidet, and laundry in here as well. The bedroom is very big and also is where you can access the separate entrance. From here, there is a walkway to the stairs with lovely views of the area. You could probably use part of it as a balcony and fit a couple chairs for relaxing. Locana has stunning natural surroundings, all while still having many restaurants in town and plenty of shops as well. There is a vet nearby, a pharmacy, schools, sports centers, a gym, and golf clubs. Locana is a nature lover's paradise with Gran Paradiso National Park in the area and many excellent hiking trails and peaks to enjoy in the area as well. There are bus stops in town as well as a bus and coach station, making it easy to get around the area, as well as Italy. It takes just over an hour to enjoy Piedmont's capital city of Turin for the day, or around 2 hours by public transport. You can even visit Mont Blanc, the tallest mountain in Europe, in only an hour and 40 minutes. Or head to Italy's Lake District and visit Lake Maggiore in an hour and 40 minutes as well. If you'd prefer a break from nature, then head to the bustling city of Milan in 2 hours by car, or just over 3 hours by public transport. Of course, there is a ski resort in the area. The coast is a bit farther away but can be reached in under 2.5 hours still. There is a hospital in the area and the nearest train station is only 20 minutes away. Turin Airport is the closest and can be reached in under an hour by car or around 2 hours by public transport. This property is for sale for €43,000 or around $49,000. This is an amazing opportunity for any outdoor enthusiast looking to immerse themselves in nature or someone looking to sit back and relax and enjoy the scenery and some peace and quiet. This would make a fantastic holiday let, as you could rent out one half and live in the other, or even have 2 rentals for the price of 1. Which of these properties, surrounded by lush forests and majestic mountains in Italy, would you buy? Was it the cozy 1-bedroom in Frabosa Soprana, or the spacious restored rural house in Spigno Monferrato? For me, I loved the potential of the house in Spigno Monferrato. With the garage and extra cellar space, there is so much you could do with that property. Share your favorite in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit subscribe for new videos every week, and if you're craving more Italian dream homes, check out my other videos right here. Until next time, happy house hunting!